Hello, future investor. Today let's talk about real estate investing, one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and freedom. Have you ever thought about owning property, not just to live in, but to make money? Real estate investing means buying properties, like houses or apartments, not to live in, but to earn income. The most common way to make money is through cash flow, the rent you collect minus your expenses. For example, if you rent a house for $1,500 and your costs are $1,200, you pocket $300 every month. That's steady, extra income. Another benefit is appreciation. Your property's value grows over time, building your wealth in the background. It's like planting a tree. You get fruit each year, and the tree itself grows more valuable. Plus, there are tax benefits. You can deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, and repairs, so you keep more of what you earn. The government rewards you for providing housing. Real estate combines monthly income, long-term growth, and tax breaks. Many people have changed their lives with real estate, and you can too. It all starts with one step. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Before you buy, you need to get educated. Read books, listen to podcasts like Bigger Pockets, and learn from other investors online. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Next, think about money. Most people use a loan, not cash, to buy their first property. You'll need a down payment, usually 3.5% to 20%, and a good credit score. Start saving and check your credit now. Consider options like FHA loans, which require a smaller down payment, or try house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the other to help pay your mortgage. Build your team early. Find an investor-friendly real estate agent and talk to a mortgage lender to get pre-approved. This shows sellers you're serious and helps you know your budget. Getting your finances and team ready is the foundation for success. Don't skip this step. Preparation is everything. Now, let's find your first deal. Now, the fun part. Finding your first property. Start with clear criteria. What type of property and which location? Look for areas with good schools, low crime, and job growth. Places people want to live. Analyze deals by doing simple math. Estimate rent. Subtract expenses like mortgage, taxes, insurance, and repairs. Always budget for vacancies and unexpected costs. Use the 1% rule. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. For example, a $150,000 house should rent for at least $1,500. This helps you quickly filter out bad deals. Once a property passes the 1% rule, do a deeper analysis. Don't get overwhelmed, just stick to your numbers. Finding a great property isn't luck, it's about patience and a clear plan. Trust your analysis, not your emotions. When the numbers work, make your move. That's how you find a winning investment. Congratulations, you're now a landlord, the boss of your property, your top job. Find great tenants, screen them with background and credit checks, and call previous landlords. Use a strong lease agreement that clearly spells out rent, rules, and responsibilities. A good lease protects both you and your tenant. Maintenance is part of the job. Things will break, have a plan and a list of reliable repair pros. Respond quickly to tenant issues. Happy tenants stay longer and save you money. If managing feels overwhelming, hire a property manager. They'll handle tenants, rent, and repairs for a fee, usually 8 to 10% of the rent. Managing yourself saves money and teaches you the business, but hiring help frees up your time. Choose what fits your goals and lifestyle. Property management is about systems and people. Do it well, and your investment will thrive. Remember, being a good landlord protects your investment. Treat tenants fairly and keep your property in shape. That's the key to long-term success. Let's wrap up with how to avoid beginner mistakes. Always keep cash reserves, 3 to 6 months of expenses, for emergencies and vacancies. Don't get emotional about a property. Focus on the numbers, not the kitchen or backyard. Never skip inspections or legal help to save money. It can cost you much more later. Build a team of trusted pros, inspectors, agents, lawyers. Don't let fear stop you. Analysis paralysis keeps many from ever buying. Your first deal doesn't have to be perfect. Just solid. You'll learn more from one purchase than from endless research. Do your homework, save your money, and take action. Real estate rewards those who prepare and act. Mistakes happen, but you can minimize them. Be brave, stay smart, and start your journey. Your future self will thank you.